What's up, everybody? It is me, Dr. Sean K of Heli Direct. I just got this ESC in. I just wanted to do a quick, it's not really in a box, but maybe that's why it is at the price point it is at. So I am going to do a quick unwrapping of the Sequre ESC. I've been hearing a lot about this, and they assured me that it works really, really good. For the price point, you cannot beat it. Looks good. For the price point, looks pretty good. Wow. I thought YGE had long wires. This has got to be, man. Actually, I'm gonna measure it. We are at 650 mils. Color-coded wires. It has these little plastic collars here where you can heat shrink that to keep them all together. The RPM wire, this is the one going into the throttle, I believe would be telemetry. So it's pretty small, compact. And one good thing about these ESCs, we tend to try to make it easier for the end user to use these products. That's kind of how SYSTEMX was birthed, and kind of the mindset behind making it easier for you guys to plug this in. This works really well. Rotor Flight, of course. I don't know of anyone running on an Icon or the 760 Futaba or any of the other ones. But if you are flying Nexus, we have set up the settings in here, so it's pretty much plug and play. Pretty much a starting point to get your ESC working properly. It comes with a little Allen's, yeah, it's a little Allen. I guess you can take this thing apart, which I won't be doing. So put my battery back. It comes with some zip ties, motor fan, and all the screws. And you get a couple extra of these little heat shrinking. But oh, it's a manual. All right, cool. You scan this for the manual, so it can give you some ins and outs. But I will tell you, when you buy this ESC, because it comes from the factory with preloaded settings, so it makes it easier for you to fly and plug in and play with Nexus flybar unit. If you buy this on Amazon or any other place, it is not going to be set up like this. So please do not go to Amazon or any other retailer that you shop at, buy this and say, hey, mine's hard to put together, or this doesn't work, or the settings are all off, or blah, blah, blah. These are two completely different ESCs. No, not in hardware, but the setup, yes. So we want to make this easy for you guys and you girls out there. And the price point right now with these combo motors, and I know I'm actually talking about the ESC, but with this combo motor and the price point on this, you can get in the air for next to nothing, usually probably for a price of any other leading brand electric motor. And this ESC, you know, some of these can go up to $600, $700, $800, maybe even $1,000. This is my first time flying this ESC. I've heard good things about it, actually great things about it. If you're flying Rotor Flight, this is like the perfect matchup. So I'm gonna put this in my new build, but I appreciate you guys. Remember, the Sequre ESC is available. The presets get you pretty close from ordering it from Heli Direct. So like I said before, it's plug and play, good to go. All right, appreciate you guys and girls. I will talk to you later. Bye.